Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I need a hairstyle change, but you're too scared to go to salon? Hello, friends. Welcome to Nana's Easy AI. We're embracing the future, one simple click at a time. No stress, no complicated jargon. Start having a little bit of fun with it. If I can do it, you can too. Let's get started. Well, today we are embracing the future with a little bit of fun. We're going to use our friend Gemini to give me a virtual makeover. No appointment required. Let's go to browser and type Google Gemini and go to Gemini site. Now I've got my photo ready. Remember, technology is here to help us slow down and enjoy life. If I can do this, you can too. I'm going to upload my picture here. First click plus sign and pick your photo from the file or photos you saved and upload. If you have trouble uploading your photo, you can ask your kids or grandkids for a quick hand. Now we ask Gemini for some advice. You type or talk using microphone. I'm copying my prompt I prepared and paste here instead of typing. You can do the same thing using the prompt I prepared at the description box. Copy and paste. Can you show me what I'd look like with a short silver pixie cut? Make it elegant and easy to manage. Sophisticated silver bob. I repeat the process. Keep asking the style I want. Soft shoulder length waves. Let's get fancy. What if I had a bob with some fun purple highlights? Look at that. Look how fast it changed my hair. It's like a digital dress-up doll. If you don't like the first result, don't worry. Just tell Gemini to make it a little shorter or change the color, just like you would ask your hairstylist. I tried out several different styles. It's so much fun to see a whole new look without spending a dime, just by moving your fingertips. Now that I have this fancy updo, I'm sending myself to the Oscars. Should we do this together in the next video? Do you want to go to the Oscars with me? They say you can tell how well someone is doing by how they care for their home and themselves. I think Nana looks pretty good, don't you? You can find these images in the left panel. Just go to the My Stuff section. It's all organized for you there. Keep in mind, your pictures will stay there for about 18 months. You can take these photos with you on your next salon visit to show your stylist. It makes it so easy to communicate. She will know exactly what look you have in mind. What hairstyle looks best on you? Comment below. Let me know in the comments which look should I go for. Thank you for watching and God bless.
Thank you, everyone. Trump!
Learning AI can be easy and fun for everyone.